Hello, my name is Amber Ventura, and I will be doing a presentation on the California Science Center and why it's such an amazing place to take my students. So the California Science Center is located in downtown Los Angeles on the Metro Expo line. It's also located right across the street from the University of Southern California, so it's about an hour away. It is made up of 4 different permanent exhibits, and it spans over 400,000 square feet. Each exhibit offers fun, informative, and hands-on activities for children of all ages and grade levels. The center is also open to the public 7 days a week, 362 days out of the year. So it's only closed 3 days: Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's Day. On top of that, their hours are really convenient. They open at 10 a.m. and close at 5 p.m. Here are just a few photos of the entrance and our beginning part of our tour. So on the top left here we have a photo of one of the kids looking at a sign about hummingbirds and how they help flowers. And here we're getting really excited to start our adventure. Everything looks so big and giant, as you see over here. Have some jets up here, 3 levels. Really stoked and excited to go. Alright, so cost of admission, you can't beat it. Not only is the California Science Center open 7 days a week, admission is also free. Guests can either drive or take public transit. The best part is that it's free and the parking is really inexpensive, only $10. As mentioned, the center is made up of 4 permanent exhibits, which include ecosystems, creative world, world life, and air and space exhibits. So here are a few examples of photos that I took on our trip. So up here we have kids playing with little sailboats. They're on little wheels, and there are fans right back here that are blowing air. So the goal is to try and get the boat to move across that line by positioning the sail correctly. In this photo on the right, top right, we have a hands-on activity that you can do, where you move these side to side and see what the tectonic plates do. And then the bottom 2 are explanation and picture of the 5th scale Chandra Space Telescope. Alrighty, so as we know, NGSS is becoming more popular and is definitely a better way of teaching science. So the main goal of NGSS is for students to learn through inquiry and hands-on activities that help explain the phenomenon. The Science Center offers exactly that. Students are given the opportunity to learn about ecosystems by observing animals and learning about the Earth and its inhabitants. Students can also learn about life in human, plants, and animals, while also looking at different inventions that humans have made to communicate, different infrastructures, and how we create earthquake-safe buildings. We can also look at space and different aerospace artifacts. Next, this was one of my favorites that we got to do. So I got to do on top right, and then my friend's niece got to do it on the top left. So we're basically balancing on a wire going all the way across, and it says, how can you keep your balance on the high wire of a bicycle? And it gives a brief explanation. So the bicycle, like all objects, behaves as if its mass. For small objects on Earth, mass acts like a lot of weight, moves the center of mass below the wire. So if it starts to tilt on one side, gravity pulling the other, the center of the mass will stay upright. This was definitely an amazing experience. It was kind of scary at first, but definitely worth it. So the California Science Center is unique and welcoming. As you know, students with special needs sometimes need visuals or manipulatives to better understand the information at hand. I believe this field trip would greatly benefit my class because it gives us the opportunity to learn about what we've been reading, what we've been studying, and actually get hands-on experience with it through the different activities that the California Science Center offers. It would be a perfect place to take my 1st through 3rd grade class Not only is the center local, but admission is free and the exhibits can be used for grades 1st through 3rd. Thank you.